Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial I want to show to you, young ladies, gentlemen, the easy and the only way you can have your own cilantro in the balcony of your penthouse, in the balcony of your house where you live, your apartment and your room. You just need a little soil, alright? In this case here, look, I have about 4 by 4 square feet. Look, make you soil softly. It's only you need to know, guys. You don't need no campo, no perlita, blah 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 blah. All this not necessary, guys. No matter what country you are, 12 months in a year, you can have your organic, 100% free, 100% organic, cilantro, mint, parsley, all kind of ingredients, same family, same medicine, same ingredient to your kitchen, guy, your business, private, commercial, best ingredient, guy. All right. In this case here, look, I have the cilantro which I collect for myself, alright? You go to the supermarket, you buy the seed, same guy. You're going to take the seed and you're going to submit in the water. Obvious, I did it yesterday. That means that seed here, guy, be in the water about 30 hours. You can keep it 24, one day, 30, 40, no matter. Why put in the water? Because I want to make a speed and the process of germination, because they're very slow. So what I do here, submit the seed in the water for 20, 30, 40 hours to help get papa faster, alright? Good guy. You do this in your room, your balcony, and your patio. This is the easy way, guy. I tell you 100% easy. Look, you're gonna take the seeds, alright? Look, just spray. Don't put too many together, alright? Because the 80% of them, they're gonna come out. Alright, and then you put just little salt on top. Alright. And water. Don't put it heavy in the water, alright? If you make a spray with water, empty water, and make a hole with the drill, don't let the water go like this, look. Because if you are small, you do a small, the seed gonna separate. Look, you do like this. You can do it with your hand, but don't let the water do one time, look, like a spray. Alright, guys? You spray water every day. You gotta be patient, guys. Between 1 and 2 weeks, you're not gonna see nothing. Say, wait a minute, where my seeds going? Going to different planet or what? They're gonna come out, guys. Believe me. You just need to be patient. Some countries might take between 2 and 3 weeks, between 3 and 4 weeks. But your ingredient gonna come out, guys. Believe me. See how beautiful they are. Alright. This is the life, guy. Organic life. And you can have it free. Look, this space here is exactly like you have for your balcony, alright? And you can see how many cilantro have here. Plenty, guy. and you ask me why I have too many seeds. Better to have more and not less. Life is, guy, you don't need to be a billionaire to share. You can be a poor person. If you have a good heart, you can share. I have plenty of seeds because every place I go, I take a seed in my pocket and I give it to a friend or neighborhood. I have plenty of seeds, and look, and soon I'm gonna have more seeds here. Look, the flower come out, guy. It's gonna be enough 5, 10 billions, millions of seeds. All right. Life is making sense when you share. Look how many cilantro I have to share with the people. Very easy, guy. Look, easy to do. Anyone can do. Grandma can do. Children can do. They can play. They left on the computer. You're gonna be more longer life, guy. Because eat organic, guy. There is nothing you can compare. No money, nothing you can compare if you eat organic with what you do with your own hand, guy. Alright? Simple, right? Keep it the seed 24 hours. The one you buy in the supermarket, or if you collect, you know the story, guy. Very easy. Something very important I want to mention, guy. If you have a chicken, you need to find a screen like that, look, like I do with this orange here. Look, because the chicken, they are a little crazy sometimes. They want to jump on time and they want to look for food. They're going to move the seed and they're going to just control the. Look, I'm using wood here in this case with American potato. Look, because they like to hang around too much. And you find a screen and you put the screen on top, you cover, until they're like that, they okay. Look, you can see there. I have 100 chicken here, but you see when they're big, they leave it alone. But the baby, not good. Look the mean guy. Beautiful. All the morning I say, good morning, beautiful girl, good morning, beautiful. And they're very happy, look. You need to talk with the vegetable guy. They're very happy when you talk. Remember, this is your life. This is nobody's life. This is your life. What do you eat? Alright, you have to say, you have to be happy with your ingredient, right? Because that's 100% your life. Alright, what you see there. Organic. Exactly what it is, guys. Alright, I'll be to try to help you. God bless all of you. Hasta la vista, baby.